Hi Chad, welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? Sorry I took a bit to start. I was trying to reset my Oracle MFA because they're requiring it now, and so I want to make sure it was set up properly, but I didn't have time, so I started stream late and didn't actually accomplish what I was trying to accomplish. Yay! Standard Robot, thank you for the bits, appreciate it. Welcome, welcome. How we all doing today? It is Saturday, July 15th of 2023. We are back for yet another stream. Oh no, I don't know what this one does. Oh. Me making fun of grifters. Right. But let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we'll jump into stuff. The plan for today is to make sure that the Flake suite is ready for release. So we're gonna do some regression testing. Basically just find a bunch of source code online and run the old version, run the new version, make sure everything looks all right, and go from there. But let me say hi to everyone who's here. We've got JJMC, who is first today. We've got Beldothis is also here. Nikita, it's been a while. Good to see you again. Dan Robot is here. Najib Rashid, welcome to the stream. Belwada is here. Yours is today. Happy birthday, Belwada. I forgot to change the title. My bad. Horizon, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Nikita says, it's been so long. Take my belated birthday wishes. Appreciate it. Mixer Jake is also here. Hello, hello. Villarca, welcome to the stream. Video just lagging for me. Oh no. Is it lagging? Are we desynced? That would suck. I don't know how to fix that. It's synchronized on my end. So I don't know. What's this new Twitch scammy thingy? Oh no. Wait, it shows up as a chat message now too? Oh, that's new. That's new. Thank you for the Twitch scam, Beldothis. Fancy. Oh, I'm not showing the right screen, so I'm not even showing. Ta-da! I don't know what it does here though. Bugle Cook, it's been a while. Good to see you again. Also, apparently Streamlabs doesn't know about it. Interesting. Interesting. What is the little... What does this do? Report. Yeah, that's clearly what I want to do. Thank you for that, Beldothis. Appreciate it. Yeah, I don't... Maybe we'll look at... Nah, I don't really want to scam you out of more money. We can make the chatbot support it, but I also feel like that... We'll put it in the to-do. Mamp-tip-tip-tip. We're off to a great start. Oh, wait. We were gonna do super chats, but then I think they changed it. Is this the same as what it was before? I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, super chats again. What is this YouTube API supposed to be? I feel like we did this? Question mark? I don't fucking know. Nikita, thank you for the resub with Prime at 6 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. And we also have Fixer Jake, who has resubbed at 37 months. God damn. Since the height of COVID, yeah. Thank you both for your continued support. I really appreciate it. And it's good to see you both again. Villarca says, if you can share with us how much money do you make from what do you make? Because it's so cool. What do you make? This? Is that how I find it? Damn, what is that video called? I have a video where I talk about this. Is it in the FAQ playlist? This one. FAQ make. This is a little bit outdated, but you can check out that video. That will give you a ballpark. Cool. Pins it for some amount of time? Yeah, that's how it works. You're not broken anymore. Nice, nice. Does anyone have any experience about the Watchdog Observer library in Python? I have used it before at work, but I didn't really maintain the parts of it that made it click. Or that made it tick. That's the phrase I was looking for. So I don't know much about it. I just know that it's been used before. Yeah, so maybe we'll work on this at some point too. Oh, we did never finish the stuff that I was working on with Babby. Maybe we'll do that too. Okay, so the plan, what I've done before, and I don't know if we're gonna do it the same way this time. Pycodestyle updates. The way that I did it before is I cloned a bunch of repos and then wrote some sort of scripts against them. I think we're gonna do a similar thing this time. But I think we're gonna try 3 things. We're gonna try old version with Python 3.11, and we're gonna do new version with Python 3.11, and we're gonna do new version with Python 3.12. Because I suspect that there's some syntax stuff that we haven't handled in 3.12, which we'll want to make sure works. So that's what we're gonna try and do. We're gonna see how this goes. So I guess we can set up those virtual envs first. So virtual env old 11, and then we'll do new 11 and new 12. We can't do new 12. We can't do old 12 because it's just broken. It's just completely broken. Malho Chavaron says, which keyboard are you using? Why does that not match the bot? Should answer that. Oh, because it's what instead of which. If you say what keyboard, it'll tell you. And then you'll know the answer. Oh, must be finding a Pokemon that could be shiny. I don't know which one it was, but all right, so in old 11 we're gonna install pycodestyle and pyflakes. We'll also probably do some testing with flake 8 as well. And then new 11, we'll install these from Git. And then new 12. And then what was my scripts that actually compared these before? Pyflakes check. Just ran in particular repos. Guess that works. I'm just watching. I don't know what's actually going on. Well, this has showed you what's going on. It looks like I just ran xargs against things essentially. Oh, but we did it in particular subders. I don't know why I did it this way instead of just big ol' xargs. Because big old xargs would be way easier, but oh, we had to ignore warnings, maybe? We could just use Python warnings. Yeah, I think we can do this without these fancy scripts. Oh, but we have to sort them. We have to sort them. Okay, that's why this is done. Yeah. Ryzen, the point of the video is that we don't talk about it on stream. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna clone some repos. I don't know. Oh, and we'll use all of our repos as well. Oh, that's what we did last time. Yeah. We'll clone pip. Oh, we can do depth equals 1. Fast clones. Faster clones. We'll get Flask. We did NumPy before. We'll do Django. Seems fun. I don't know, just pick a bunch of repos. I'm at family right now doing some computer maintenance. The laptop here is the freakiest I've ever seen. The owner used to own 3 to 4 laptops over the last 15 years. And when switching, they would take everything with them. Basically a full disk image. Oh. I have to deal with a Supercell laptop that has Flash Player, Visual C++ 2005, and 40 drivers for hardware it doesn't have. That's insane. That's crazy. I don't know. What are other the top IPI packages? I'll just grab some of these. These are chunky. I don't want them. Eurolib 3? Is that where that lives? Yeah. Typing extensions is top 10. That's crazy. We'll clone MyPy also. Sure. Okay, that seems like a decent number of repos to do. I guess we can continue to use these scripts, although I feel like they weren't that useful. Outdoor repos. Okay. Yeah, old 11 bin. Pycodestyle check. Let's actually get these up to date. We'll use our repos as well. Pydantic V1, meh. Meh. 85 filter, hello, hello. How you doing? I'm just waiting because that's gonna take a while. Oh, that cloned way faster than I thought it would. Okay. Is this gonna do what I want? Oh, I gotta do... I gotta do this? Well, why is it not full pass? Oh, because I have to do... this? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so this is what we'll do for some of them. And then we'll also do Django, Flask, MyPy, pip, Eurolib 3. And this takes an out directory, right? I forgot how these scripts works. Dash outdir. Okay, and this should go burr. Hooray. Oh, did I typo Django? I did. Well, we can start it over then. I was wondering why it didn't tab complete. Anyway, brr. Cornella J, thank you, or welcome to the stream. How you doing? Yeah, CPUs are probably going burr. Actually, load is less than I expect it to be. It's hanging out right around 4. Maybe there's only 4 repos left. Oh, you can't see it, but we got this script with a real long execution time here. That's the Pokemon bot. I'm surprised that I don't know how it multi-processes though. Because I don't know how it's had, like, the uptime is only The uptime says it's only been up 1 day. Yeah. I don't know how it has 140 hours in 1 day of uptime. What's the difference between vert and res? So virtual memory is basically the potential address space it has taken at any point in time, and resonant memory is how much is currently resonant. Well, often they are very different. You can, it's not exactly, but you can kind of think of this as like peak memory. Okay, so that's old 11. We'll do new 11. We'll do, I should really put the big repos at the beginning. That would be the faster way to do this. But alas. But yeah, hopefully we'll find some differences here, and then we'll be debugging them and fixing them and that sort of stuff. That's the plan. Maybe we'll find some spooky stuff in 3.12, or maybe we'll find nothing at all. Maybe we're in some realm where everything just works. That's kind of how you can think about it, Beldenwada. It's not exactly that, but yeah, and it also has to deal with like paging stuff out as well, and like how much is shared from a fork, and it's a lot more complicated than I'm making it out to be. I could make a video on it, but I also feel like I don't really have too much unique to add to that discussion. Yeah, okay. For the other ones, I'm gonna do the big repos last, or the big repos at the front. It should go a little bit faster instead of just having one at the end, chugging away. So then we'll do new 12. I'll paste these up here, and we'll get rid of them from the back. It's still gonna take a while for like talks and such, but it doesn't super matter. But it should overall finish faster. Barely. Oh, what is Twitch telling me is a new feature? Label your streams with content classification labels. What the fuck is this? Seems annoying. Seems like more work. Oh, interesting. They are now requesting streamers mark their games as mature for particular categories. Interesting. Doesn't super matter. Okay, maybe reordering them didn't help me here. The big one still took the longest. Jan Sniper, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. Okay, so now we'll just kind of diff these and see what's different. Out old 11, out new 11. Oh boy. Damn, I was worried about this. But maybe it's intentional. Let's see. Let's see what's on this line. This should be in the Urolib 3 one. 1278. Yeah. That would fix that. Okay, I think that's actually correct. Oh god, there's a lot of difference here. Oh, that's not what I want. 27,000 lines of difference. Great. Well, we can find things that have gone away. Well, that seems not great. Yeah, there should be a white space problem here. Should be 2 of them. Okay, well, we found a regression. Oh, actually... Oh. Maybe this is correct. Maybe this is correct, the numbers are just 1 character different. Is Python mature? Yeah. It's over 21 years, so yes. Kevin MBT, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so this is gonna be a little bit trickier to look at because this is 1 character different than before. Is the new one correct though? So the old one pointed at this character and the new one points at this character. I wonder... Actually, before we do that, I want to see if these are the same. Oh. Wow. $65. Oh. Yeah, that is actually correct. There should be spaces here. Because now it can see the insides of that. Cool. Okay. This seems not good, though, maybe? Line 11. Oh no, this is correct. This shouldn't have white space here. This one went away. What? Why? This is online. $30? That's weird. That line is too long. Very strange. Okay, well that's something to fix. Well, actually, I feel like it's correct in 312. Or no, it's not correct in 312. Weird. Python is allowed to drink? Yeah, yeah. Soon he'll pay its bills? Well, I don't know. Python seems like a bit of a freeloader. This is quite interesting. I wonder why. T West AOE, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, interesting. Okay, well, we have one failing thing that is interesting to work on. Test suite E5. Um. Unavoidable long lines in doc strings. I wonder if that's what's triggering it here. I wonder if it has now just converted all of these into X's and that's why. This is annoying because this is actually contents from this test case here and not done correctly, but so this probably passes the 311 test but fails the 312. N79 says, I'm new to programming, so correct me if anything I say is wrong, but your new video about adderdict in JSON, do you feel the same about name tuples allowing both indexable and dot notation? Name tuples don't work like you're talking about. Oops. You can't do CX. This doesn't work. You can do index access with numbers. Oops. And that's because they act like tuples, but they're not having unstructured or structured crossover. From collections not typing, they work exactly the same. They're exactly the same. This this does metaclass magic to give the same results. The error here. I fucking hate this test suite. It's so hard to see what's going on. Oh, Tox is just making this hard to see. Utox is so annoying. Like, I think because these are on standard error, they're colored red. Which is just annoying. But what are you gonna do? Okay, so this should, yeah, E501 not found, which is interesting. Oh, I deleted t.py. Where are you? Yeah, interesting. You okay? Alright, let's see what we got here. What? Where's the rest of the physical lines? Yeah, okay, that's a problem. Hello? I'm worried. Okay, you're wearing clothes. What? You would. You weren't previously. Okay, yeah. I gotta figure out where the physical line handling is. Somewhere in here. Files. Where's the order? This looks like the thing I want. Maybe check physical. Multi-line equals false. Oh, because we have different string starts. Yeah, so we have to handle this here. Paid my insurance, yay! Okay, yeah. So this check here is a problem. So if we break a point here, we need to check for another string type here, I think, as well. Because f strings are now chunks. Let's try this. We got a name. We have a name again. Yeah. We have an op. New line. Here's where we have. Oh, not this one. We have an op. And then we got a big ol' string. Wait. Oh, am I in the wrong Python version? I'm in the wrong Python version. 3.12. Nikita's gotta head out. Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you as always. Ooh, I was pretty close to getting the right number here. Should be our F string start. But this is not the one we care about. We don't care about the start. We care about the meat part. F string middle is the one that can have this. Okay. That should be a pretty easy fix. Yeah. We might have to deal with that too. And that maybe. And maybe this also. Yeah, there might be a bunch of stuff that we have to deal with here. But this is the one here. Hmm. Sure, my inexperience is showing, but to be clear, my question was, do you have a problem with name template allowing c bracket 0 and c.x? That's very different than what the video was talking about. Luciano, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. The video is talking about munging the difference between structured and unstructured access. Tuple access and dotted name access are both structured. So I want to say this. And it's actually faster to do a tuple lookup there, but do. Okay, so should talks 312 should pass now. Yay! Okay, cool. Yeah, probably all the other places that it deals with string will also need to be updated for this, but I kind of want to find them and have examples rather than just rather than having to figure out the code myself. I feel like this is an easier, better way to add to the test suite than doing it the other way around. Oh, we're not even running 312 here? Oh, maybe... I thought we were. Yeah, we are. We are. It's just not required. It'll be required once it gets to release candidate. Oh, there's gonna be a lot of stuff to find here. But this will be good. Once this is merged, we can regenerate. We can actually probably regenerate them already. Or new. That installed really quickly. Weird. Let me make sure it actually did the right thing here. Oh, I don't want old 11. I want new. It did not do the right thing. Yeah, that's what I thought it might do. It just said it was up to date and skipped. Okay. We'll do new 12. Well, we'll do new 11 first. Cool. that's gonna be really annoying. Maybe I should have done pyflakes first, because I feel like pyflakes is less likely to have the regressions, because less fiddly with the new syntax. Mostly just handling the new syntax. Alphenron, hello, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. Bavada says, talk about tests in your py upgrade repo. I've seen that you keep your tests separately. And in the main file importing py upgrade, I try to reproduce it similar to my stuff. But if I run pytest, it complains about imports. Try this instead of pytest. There's a whole docs page. A whole docs page somewhere. But docs are really hard to find. This page is outdated because it's not the latest one, but it's still the same problem. But SEO is hard because shitty blogs over-optimize their SEO and then drown out the actual useful content, and Google's really bad about promoting the right content there. Jay Mawad, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. New 12 to out new 12. So I guess we're mostly just fighting 312 issues right now. Yeah. Well, I guess I should get pyflakes out of the way, because I think I can just check that off and say we're good there. I'll do that. We'll do that real quick. And I'm intentionally using 311 and 312 because it's the two fastest versions right now, rather than having to sit through the slower ones. And pip has a decent variety of code because it vendors a bunch of junk. I'm getting pretty close to having 0 PRs here, but this one's pretty funny. Originally opened in January of 2020. And I've been rebasing it ever since. I think it originally targeted Python 3.9. Yeah. So. Pretty fun one there. It's new 12. Okay. Not much to audit here. I might as well fix YesQA since I know that's going to be a problem. $65. Ooh, I almost did my work garbage. I could fix talks. Oh, let's do grep minus things that went away. PyRipple Pygame key map. We lost 2 things there. Interesting. PyRipple 36. E201 whitespace after parenthesis. Yeah, that's shouldn't have been there because it's a new line. 137. Yeah, there's this is some fucking ancient ass code. I wonder what the difference was there. I probably just syntax errored. Oh, interesting. Yeah, okay, so this is correct. It should have removed this. And this is just the position changing, probably due to a tokenized change. Okay, that's pretty fine. Start from the beginning. I'm jumping around. I should not jump around. Okay, we have some changes in the Anthony Writes code sample code. Oh, I shouldn't have cloned this here. Let's clone it here. It's probably in an F string. 240 version 1 t.py on line 11. Oh. Interesting. Okay, well, that is a bug as well. Sly Technical, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, this should not raise an error. We got another bug. I wonder how that tokenizes. Oh, that is annoying. Oh, that's gonna suck. Oh, that's gonna be really rough. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Oh, actually, I'm pretty sure we already have special code for this. Yeah. I think there's already special code for this. Because we in theory make collid work fine too. Have we dropped 3.8 yet or 3.7 yet? We have not. Let's do that first. This is a 3.8 feature, which will simplify things. I wish we'd do setup.py garbage. Fix that too. Pre-commit stuff. 8. This should be already up to date because it's set up with pre-commit CI. Ooh, some rewrites happened. Ah, neat. Cool. We got some in here. Find these 3.8s. So this is true. True and just becomes the expression. We just get this. And I am going to unorphan this comment. feel like there's some other stuff that we can get rid of as well. File does not end in a new line. The new line token is inserted by the parser, does not contain the previous physical line in token 4. I think if I talks py3.8, it'll show me unused code here. So it should be on line 1224. Yeah. I don't know why these are all parenthesized like that. Not this equals equals. This is using fucking string annotation or string lookup instead of doing it nicely with the tokens. So there's definitely like weird sneaky bugs there. I have not seen that, Tina, but I have seen people that do all of these things. I've seen every single one of these things. Yeah, here's the link that Tina just posted. Which is public issue tracker behaviors. Yeah, I hate this. Hate this so much. Hate this too. Just click the subscribe button. Yeah. Dagobert. Oh, thank you for the sub with Prime. Welcome to Subdom, and appreciate your support. I hate these two. Can't believe you haven't done this yet. Yeah. Oh my god, this is my life. This is like I think like 80% of the work that I do in open source is closing duplicate issues nowadays. Yep. 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 Yeah. Yep. Can I work on this? Then proceeds to never. Yeah. This is why I don't assign issues to people anymore, because it's just like not useful. Oh my god. I get this a lot too. Yep. All of those things happen. It's the worst. Okay. Did it not coverage? Oh, because it didn't coverage because I fucked it up. Knacklyric, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. Okay, so a lot of uncovered code. Let's see why. Ooh, 77. Yeah, that's never happening. 83. Import error. How the fuck would expand user raise import error? We need to look at both implementations. Expand user. Is there an import in here? Yes, there is actually an import in here. Huh, interesting. And PWD is not present on Windows. This is wrong though. This should be home path on Windows. Actually, I'm pretty sure I fixed this and I'm pretty sure people got really mad at me for it. Because Windows does not use home. Oh yeah, here's where I fixed it. Okay, so on POSIX, PWD should always be present. So it should never import error there anymore. I think I made that change. 3.8, yeah. Yeah, there's no imports here. So I think this can go away. We'll ignore that for now. 154. Yeah, that's expected. 304. Starts with top level regex logical line. Is one liner. Interesting that this is never hit. That code, this is also never hit. Don't think those are relevant to what I'm looking for though. That makes sense. That also makes sense. Also makes sense. This is where we're going to add the equals check. 646. Verbose. Should get rid of that because I don't think anyone actually uses it, and it's definitely slowing things down. 88. Huh. This error code is never hit. 731. More verbose garbage. 756. 56. 911. Huh. I feel like this should not be should not be the case, but okay. 1467. I'm surprised this is never hit. But that's fine. What line am I on? 1467. 1711 is next. Surprised that's never checked. Will M, hello, hello. Frat M, hello, hello. Mustax also here. I'm doing well. Most Luck says, I wish I could suck your knowledge. That's what they said? Is this the Midnight Sucker?
Like all of it?
I don't know.
How much?
How much knowledge are they downloading? Sucking? Yeah. 1779. Yeah, that's probably not hit either. 1785. The Dev Panda, hello, hello. How you doing? Yeah, we don't test the standard in stuff. 1892. There's a lot of not covered code here. File name match. Yeah, that's probably not important. 1919. Probably interface stuff that people don't use. 1954. Byte order marker. That should probably get tested in 2026. F-string middle makes sense. 2058. I was specifically looking for the end of line stuff. I should just get rid of the verbose stuff. 2058. Where was I? 2061. More verbose junk. 2088. If not lines or not, no QA. That's ever covered. That's fine. 2160. What? Oh, this is verbose garbage. Yeah. Tigerbird says, "Thank you for bringing it. I'm glad you like it. It's definitely a thing that I'm the most proud of." The Dev Panda says 220 terabytes, assuming averages. I think I know what you're saying. Which makes it funnier. 2237, 2245, 2247, 258. This is actually kind of nice to audit all of this. But I don't think I'm actually going to write down any of the audit results. I'm just looking for a particular thing. 2269, 2274, statistics garbage, 2279, benchmark garbage, 2313, 2328. If show source, okay, that's not relevant either. 2335. I don't care. 2420. 420, let's go. Keyboard interrupt. 2427. 436. 2462. 2586. 595. 601. I think I'm actually past the end of file handling stuff. Oops. Oh no. 2620 is where I was at. Yeah. 23, more Verbosa, 2630. 4. 661. We're almost done. 2670. 2721. Yeah, this is stuff. Okay, cool. That should be good enough. Oh. Do I bother combining all these files? Because these are just like normal things now. I'll just leave them. Py3.8 plus. Right, drop. Python 3.7 support. Oh, I gotta get the GitHub Actions too. 0.7. That was it? Do we not test on Windows? We test on Windows with 3.9 or above. I guess that's fine. Why is this in here? Yes, I see. I understand. Cool. We got rid of all those. Okay. Is it in the README too? I bet it's in the README somewhere. Just love to get rid of it. I guess it's not in there. Okay, cool. Do I need to know math to learn coding? Depends on what type of programming you want to do. Yeah, depends a lot on what you want to do. MBS Ubuntu, hello, hello. Almost to 128k babbies. Damn, that's a lot. It is quite a bit. Oh, I gotta address the required checks. Branches, edit. delete the 371. I'm also going to add pre-commit in here. That was missing for some reason. Feel up my monitor. There we go. Cool. Yeah, and then we can add a check for the f string repr one. Test suite Python 3.8. I'll put it up next to the other okay ones. Yes. A few days ago I began to learn Kotlin, but beginning is so boring. I really like Kotlin. So I can just add it at the bottom. So it should be fine in 3.8, but it will be erroring in 3.12. Outdated version. Hello, hello. I'd say I do pretty average work and run and do statistics math the most, mostly from working in site reliability. Geometry wants to get text centered on PDF. I have used calculus once. I can show you. This is what I used calculus for. I made a carousel before carousels were cool in like 2009 with jQuery. I think this is with jQuery. Did I port it to not use jQuery? Yeah, jQuery 1.6. Fucking ancient ass code, but look, it still works. Cool, huh? Whee. I got little buttons to bump it too. This is before I used JavaScript colon semicolon, so it didn't put the little octothorpe in the URL, but it's real smooth. Real smooth. But yeah, anyway, that's the only time I've ever used calculus. Okay, do that. Great mentor. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. All right, so if we do py 312, this should error now. Burp. Cool. Yeah. So also need to do this for oh, we can just do this to allow that. Wait, why did 312 pass? Wait, it shouldn't have passed. Wait a minute. Why did it pass? It should not have passed. I haven't changed the code yet. No. That means there's a bug in how the test suite works. Shit. Oh, I saw it. This. Test against version. Oh, not Python 12. It almost started too. In a wild adventure there. Why is typing in this so slow? I'm blaming Tox. This is probably Tox's problem. Yeah, weird. So why is this not erroring? What? We just showed this erroring. Why is it no longer erroring? You okay? Okay, well, let's go back to this. And we'll minimize the case down. All repos. Oh, I'm in the wrong place. So Python 3 shouldn't be a problem. 3.11 shouldn't be a problem. 3.12 it errors. So, oh, it only errors in one spot. It only errors here. What? Why? I'm gonna go fill my water. I will be right back, and then we'll try and figure out why it's just here, but not down here. So I'll see you in a sec. All right, we're back. Let's try and figure out why this is being weird, and why this is somehow different than this one down here. Let's delete as much of the code as possible and see what's different here. But still doing that. Yeah, it still looks the same. Yeah, like this chunk is exactly the same. I wonder if it's because it's in a parenthesis. Oh, I bet it's because it's in a parenthesis. And so this is like, oh, it's a function call. I wonder if we just do this, if it's enough to do it. Yeah. So it said it's in its parenthesis. That's what makes it different. Why? I don't know. Wait, what? Did I discard the changes here? I did. Right, because it wasn't actually triggering it. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, that probably means that the parameter checking is wrong. Probably a separate thing. Nephite, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, so this should now be failing. And so we can now implement our fix. Bit out of order. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. All right, cool. Fix was to do this. I guess there aren't other cases where an equals could show up as an operator, so it shouldn't matter to fix the other check. This should fix now. Lamau? Apparently not. Oh, it's E225, which is the opposite direction. Oh, fuck. I gotta rewrite this one too. Fucking name. Interesting. It's weird that it didn't see it down here. Like, I feel like I should combine these two checks, the missing white space, wherever E225 is. Missing white space around operator. Yeah. I feel like I should combine these two because they need the same treatment. At least this is going token by token, so that's better. If text in parentheses lambda parens plus equals 1. That tells me that it increases parentheses to 1 with lambda and then never decreases it. Is this parens actually used for anything? That smells like a bug. Allow keyword arguments or defaults. Can you have a default in a lambda? I guess so. Huh, interesting. Hulai XXX, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, so if you lambda, I guess you can't do assignment. So this is, it's wrong, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, it's wrong, but it doesn't matter. Huh, interesting. Interesting. Ugh, this is so annoying. Oh wait, this is a different one. Python, all right. What do you mean? Okay, so I guess it's time to rewrite this guy. Or maybe combine the two. Mm. Each comma, semicolon, or colon should be followed by white space. Yeah, so I think I'm going to combine these two. Although this is only E231. Yep, I guess we will implement this sort of free stack thing here. RZ, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah. Need space. It is so weird that this is handled there. Probably shouldn't handle that. Ideal gas! Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Yeah, I think I'm gonna combine these two. As we handle a specific set of things here. And we should probably white space around comma. Time Waterfall, thumbs up. I'm glad you enjoy it. I find it's pretty good. First Minecraft nouns for Aria? What is it? What's the TLDR? I don't know that I've seen the video. Yeah, I think I'm gonna... What does register check do? Do you care about the codes in here? Oh, it does. It does. Yeah, I think we're gonna rename this to the missing white space, and we're gonna copy shit. Surround the operators with the correct white space. This. These here. We'll get this code from down here. And do this. We'll grab this code. Then we'll grab this code. Just skip comments. Don't know why that is relevant. It seems not relevant. I bet if I comment out this code, it doesn't do anything. This seems like a too big of a change to do that there. Let's back out these changes here first. Let's figure out why this line is there. Charua, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Line 66 is an example of why this is needed. Missing white space around operator. Which one? Character 39. End of the line? The end of the line. Skip tokens. Oh. Oh. It's all of this, but written really weirdly. So it skips new lines and indents and dedents and comments. And the error token. So I could probably just skip new line and then it would be the same. But we'll just leave it. That probably also means leave this alone. No, probably not. Maybe we just add the brace stack to this. Maybe that's the easiest way to do this. I want to merge this up. I already merged it. Make you with a functional frame buffer in Terraria. Oh my god. A mod that speeds up the equivalent of redstone. That's great. Okay. What's the big Twitch logo? It's technically a phone charger, but it looks cool, so I just let it hang out there. Welcome to the stream, B. Jonas. That should not be there. There's no way that does anything. Okay, we're gonna gonna get rid of that first too. There's no way this changes the output, right? Decoration? Yeah, decoration. Bunch of red, all green. Remove Python 2.x operator. Probably actually. Actually, I'm pretty sure, does Python? Yeah, it's treated as a full operator too. I don't think this does anything at all. Oops. I think that's own operator. We don't support Python 2 anymore, so also. Keywords, print, async, and not singletons. I think async is always a keyword in keyword list now, though. The other thing we want to do is the async thing. For keyword dot coolest. Sync in. Oh, I should have done that 3.8. I think I can comment this out. Admiral Salon, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I think this goes away also. If state 0 equals async statement. Please 606. There's still a test for it. Yeah, I think we just get rid of W606. Huh. There's a whole bunch of tests here for stuff that doesn't get matched anymore. Oh, we gotta see whether that still is a problem. It seems like nope. See if there's any dead code after doing that. See? Problem is the decorators are gonna show a bunch of unused code, but 2162. Okay, that. This is a bunch of docs garbage. For all the checks. Fine. This means I'm gonna have more stuff to sift through later, but it should simplify maintenance in the long run. I feel like Flake 8. Did I get rid of verbose in Flake 8 too? Get passed along? Oh, it does get passed along. That's it. Oh yeah, it does get passed along. Unless it's always 0. It does get passed along. Yeah, I'd love to kill the verbose stuff there. I have a lot of tabs. One. Go away. Away. Oh. I think I'm going to do the pyflakes stuff. That should be real quick. Oh, did I already install that? Did. So it's, I closed the, oh no, it's here. To old 11 pyflakes check. Do its thing. Let me review my change first. Fine. New 11, and then we'll do new 12. Continue working on pycodestyle stuff. Yeah, Tina? It'll be fine. Did you say that word? Is this a word you haven't heard out loud either? What? What? Pinocchios? Dominoes? I do, yeah. Jaholo! Thank you for the resub at 34 months. Holy shit. Been a long ass time. It's good to see you again. Thank you for your continued support. And thank you for stopping by and hanging out for all these years. It's been years. It's crazy. How are you doing on this fine Saturday/Sunday? Okay, let's see if pyflakes changed anything. Out of old 11 to out of new 11. What? Oh, you have food? Yo. Oh, because I have junk. I got junk on my desk. Put it here. Yeah. Wait, it's all separate? Oh, you weren't sure how much rice I wanted. It's alright. Okay. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna eat. Sorry. I'll show you the food. A bit under the weather. Oh no. This is vegetables and sauce, and this is, I believe it's called wheat bulgur, which is rice-like but protein and crunch, if I remember correctly. Yeah. Yep. Just said that. I'm just gonna put it all in. Fuck it. Did you make some for yourself? Oh. This recipe made a lot then. You can take this little bowl. And chili flakes. I'm just gonna mix it all up and get. He doesn't like spicy food, so I get all the spice for myself. All right, here's my giant mash of food. This is so much. Probably don't need. Okay. But yeah, I think if you look back at the code, this is the new error that's gone away, and that's because this is now self-referential here. It's a recursive type, and someone must have fixed some amount of recursive types, probably me, in pyflakes. That's good. Let's see if new 11 and new 12 are any different. Oh no. Oh no. I think those are syntax errors. Yeah. Or syntax warnings. Yeah, syntax warnings. I'm surprised I made this mistake in a video. Jay Gary, hello, hello. It has been a long time. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Amazingly SK, welcome to the stream. Mr. Food, what is it? It's wheat, bulgur, and vegetables. And spicy. Jake Query, yeah. But how you doing? How you been? I assume you've been busy with something. Looks healthy. Yeah, it's a not sponsored HelloFresh meal. Unless they want to sponsor me. Okay, this seems good. It's mostly just that invalid escape sequences became a syntax warning. So at least we're good with pyflakes. But now we have to handle pycodestyle. And I have to handle food. I'm gonna eat food. Been doing okay. Still trying to be a senior network engineer. Like, are you applying for jobs, or are you trying to get promoted, or which part of the trial are you in? This is so good. So, an interesting thing with I guess that's fine. Like, there's this equals check with lambda here. And I think that's fine because there would also be another call. But gotta add my little brace stack thing here. Actually, we can leave that tab. I think I'm gonna do one commit where I combine this check with the other one. And then another commit where I fix the actual bug. Been at Cisco for 23 years. Damn. Damn. That's a long time. Applying for jobs as I'm trying to move higher into leadership. Ah, nice. Yeah, that makes sense. It's a good strategy. Yeah, I think it's generally a good idea to always be applying to new jobs. Of course, I don't necessarily do that because I don't have time, but it's often useful to leverage against like a promotion or something. I'm Nikki. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for the food. Real good. What? What? Jake says, August is our salary adjustment period. Curious what I end up getting. Ooh. I don't know what Centuries is. I'm kind of okay with that too. Nikita says I have a job interview next week for a Python job. Oh, in Germany that's kind of unheard of because everyone wants Java. Well, good luck. I hope you get it. Santoon, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Weird that everyone wants Java. I mean, not that weird, but a little bit weird. I guess it's more weird that there's nothing else. Okay, so we're gonna copy that into here. And then copy the docs for that as well. Here. There's PHP, sometimes nice. If you have a minute, working on learning more about doing certificates in Python 3.10. It is weird in 3.10. There appears to be missing stuff like cryptography.cipher. Oh, well, cryptography is a third-party library, and the standard library doesn't do much with cryptography. Mostly because that tends to be security sensitive and fiddly. And so they've sort of, quote-unquote, farmed that out to a PyPI library, where it can be easily updated out of band and not produce as many problems. Oh no, I got rid of the text for this. Where I want this here. Wilfred, hello, hello. Is a particular third-party library? Cryptography is the good one. There's a few other ones which are not so good. Like there's the deprecated PyCrypto, and PyCryptodon is supposed to be an updated version of it, but I feel like everything shouldn't use that, but I also don't remember the exact correct things. I'm gonna take this bowl downstairs. I will be right back. Wolfred! Oh, I already said hi to you. Here's your little command. Eat. I will see you in a sec, and then we'll finish up combining these two. All right, we're back. A Pokemon that looks like a building. Yeah, that is shit. What is it called? It's a dragon. It was in Sword and Shield. I remember its name. Oh, Duraludon. Yeah. Duraludon. It only becomes a building when it Gigantamaxes. Otherwise, it just looks like a steely dragon. This is its G-Max form. JK says, I've been all over the place with coding, looking hard at Go to make some of my own enhancements to Container Lab. Oh, interesting. Reading how to build interpreters and trying to write one in Smalltalk. Huh. The language that I don't know anything about. Laser-induced Guillerme. Guillerme? I don't know how to say your name. But welcome to the stream. I know like Guillermo. Maybe it's Guillerme instead of Guillermo. Welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing well. So this splits these apart, so maybe I have to do that here as well. So let's take you and put you in here. And I can probably keep this up here. And token type. And text. Token type. And text. So that should handle that. Line. And one. And 1 plus 1. Next care. Steven Sile, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. That should work. Of course, it does not. 866. I said it almost right. No one says it right, but I got very close. Guilherme is the Portuguese Brazilian variant of the Spanish name Guillermo. Oh, okay. I was close. JK says, me neither, hence the challenge. Oh. It's like the birth of an object-oriented programming. Interesting. Nothing beats small talk. Fun. Okay, so 398 is now getting E225. Interesting. Oh, probably because these are getting skipped. So I can instead do it as this. Okay, cool. So now that first part is working. Nice. Although I can probably move this down to the end. One last question about certificates. It seems that the norm is to generate the PEM file using the OpenSSL binary and bring them into your code this way. Yeah, that's pretty normal, mostly because OpenSSL does all the randomness stuff. I think cryptography also has a routine for doing that because they wrap the OpenSSL library. Goshmile, hello. Welcome back. I think I'm actually going to just move this down here. Thanks, you're a rock star as always. Appreciate it. I don't know that I would completely say that I'm a rock star, but I do appreciate it. Rubens Mikado, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, this need space is interesting. Because I can probably do these the same way. But we have all the tests passing currently, right? So I can start adding and then refactoring a little bit. Yeah. So the first thing that I wanted to do is we have the brace stack. This is real strange. But let's do parens first. Because anytime yeah, I think there's a problem. I just thought of like a weird case. Like if you have x equals lambda this should be an error, but I think it won't be. Yeah. This should be an error, but it's not because of this. M Christian, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. So we could probably handle this. We could probably make this an error too by doing our little brace stack thing. Be super kind online. Welcome to the stream. Hello. Yeah, so let's try and handle that. In lambda parens equals false. Need to. I guess we can just push it as in our brace stack. What am I doing? This is the old version of the code. Yeah. Okay, so we should be able to get rid of this here. First time watching a code stream, it's so chill. I'm glad you enjoy it. Elif token type is equal to tokenized.name and text is equal to lambda. We can add in a special thing for lambda. Elif brace stack -1 is equal to L, and token type is tokenized.op, and text equals :. Be able to get rid of this. Mr. Singh, hello, hello. How you doing? Index error out of range. Oh. Do that. Passes the tests. Ooh. Now we have a failure. E225. On line 4. You heading out? Bye. I'll try not to. It's mad about this here, which is fun. Means I fucked something up. Oh, I probably have the wrong condition. It's weird. Yeah. This looks fine. Why is that one case wrong there? Weird, I don't see E225. Oh, is it that the test suite thinks it's supposed to be there? Oh, it does, but it shouldn't. Because this shouldn't be E225. So this was a bug. I don't know why it got fixed, though. Oh. Is it E22? Oh boy. There's just a blank one here. That's funny. So that test should be passing now, and it should have been failing before. I guess I can check whether it was failing before. Twitch checkout is broken. I can buy bits or subs to send your way. I owe you. Oh! Because Twitch is broken? Well, I appreciate it nonetheless. Oh, you can't. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. Wouldn't be Twitch without website being broken. Okay, cool. I wonder if I can also do this. I wonder if I can also combine this into the check. But it is nice that I fixed that bug. I'm a little surprised that I did, though. Doesn't feel like it should have been broken, but we take it, I guess. We take those wins. Was it because the prens ended up being negative? Maybe. I think I can also use this to figure this out. why this is relevant. Previous type is a, and the text is one of these. This is the, current thing is a unary operator. I feel like this is for the argument unpacking somehow. But this is an open parens, so these are closed parens. Really confused. I wonder, I guess I can comment this out and see what it does. Really, we have a test for this. Oh, it's gonna complain about this. Are these huge Pokemon in the new games? This is in Sword and Shield. There's some like, I think the lore is that there's some like mysterious particle that causes things to become, I don't know, become big. Hamets, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. That seems right. So it's this previous text here. Strange. Strange. We'll leave that alone. But yeah, it causes them to become giant or something. And then they harvest this to make them giant in stadiums and stuff. Trailing space is optional, but ensure that trailing space matches the opening space. Okay. Okay. That's fine. Schmidt Andreas, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. All right. I think we will say that is good. I'm not a lore player. No, I don't really pay attention to the lore that much. This passes in 311 and then 312. And then we'll go to actually fix the bug. That red freaks me out every time. But it's fine. Combine. White space around operator checks. Slightly simplifies some checking. What are we building today? Well, you can ask Chatbot and it will tell you. Raw.dev, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. No, it's all good. It's all good. I forgot to put a Jira ticket in my commit message. Yeah, it's true. True, it's true. I'll be using this to make. I'm Sean. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Oh, Rosh Vaughn. I can read. There we go. Mixed up the letters. Okay, we gotta wait for that one to merge. Then we can fix the 312 behavior. We can just check the 3 things here. Real easy. Okay. Should be failing. Good. That should pass now. The server, low, low. OAuth 2 day. Oh no. Oh no. You poor soul. Cool. Now passes in 3.12. Should pass this in 3.8. Cool. Oops. Fix false positive. Was it E225? And it errored. I'm gonna make that output less. E225. Cool. Just gonna wait for this to merge, and then we'll. I guess we can. I guess we don't have to wait. Let's do this. Can update it already. New 11 bin pip uninstall pycodestyle 12. Here, and then we can do pycodestyle update, pycodestyle check. Yeah, we'll do 11 first and then 12 afterwards. Cameron Clayton, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. This, and then we can look at the diff again and find the next bug. Last one's taking forever. It's probably Django. My only question: are you not a fan of squash merges? I am not, because then I can't use get branch dash dash merged. Wait, what the fuck? We just fixed these. Didn't we just fix these? Oh, did I? Oh, I didn't do the 12. Okay. All good. No problems here. Ale Balboa, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Jicker's got to run. Thank you for stopping by. Always good to see you. And I hope you're doing well. Peace. Wask7, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Come on. Come on, get the last one done. Okay. We have syntax error changed. This one is interesting. Lost an E225 here. Line 4. Yeah, that makes sense. That tracks. Never contributed to open source before. More of a product engineer. How should I start? Well, fancy for you. I have a video. Check out the second one there. Does this still execute? It's not. So that's, I feel like that's fine. Ignore that one. We have a new line too long here. That line is indeed too long. Should be no QA'd. Drunken SCV, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. That's probably a problem with no QA and F strings. Let's see what we got there. That is fine there. Have to have an identifier in the middle of it. Huh. $944. Let's copy it and see what we have to do here. What? Very strange. Okay, well that at least reproduces. Fill the rest of the file and see what happens. Still reproduces. I delete some of this stuff. Still reproduces. If I delete all of this. Now we're getting to the part where I think it might actually fix things. If I delete all of this. Shit, I just did the wrong thing. Okay, well it's still fine. About that. Okay. So it had a placeholder after it, and that's what did it? And I should be able to get rid of all of this up here. About this. Okay. Thing. Hmm. Interesting. I don't see any no QA tests other than those. Okay, but we can add this one. Interesting that this is a 3-space indent. Shouldn't be that, but okay. Create. And 312, it should error. Belwada, thank you for the resub with Prime at 1 year, which gets you a fancy new badge. Appreciate your continued support. This is fucked. Great. Okay, so we at least have that to work on. But I also wanted to look at the 3. I'm bouncing all over the place. Like, I feel like this is one I should be looking at. There's 27,000 lines of differences, which makes this really tough to do. Wait, I just changed a bunch of these. Did I break them? Huh. Yeah, those should be doing E231. Damn it. That's annoying. Raise that something says bang double quote exit. Your content pulled me through school. Thanks for that. Yeah, no problem. What? What? Oh, I bet the character position changed. No, the range? Oh, yeah. Okay, is this a much more manageable list of things? Oh, no. No, it's not. Oh, okay, yeah. No, these are fine. They just changed their position by one character. Yeah. So I'm going to remove the character offsets from these. It's gonna be. Yeah, because these are all gonna be E231, right? If I take this line. There we go. Oh no, I've made it worse. How did I make it worse? Oh, why didn't it? This one. Well, now it fucking worked. Except it didn't work. Oh god, what are these RR files in here? Oh, I know what it was doing. uh... Annoying. Okay. Now we should have a much smaller list. There we go. Much better. Okay, now we can handle all these. Oh, there's one in Py upgrade. Interesting. Interesting. Raintower said life, yeah. Parset, hello, hello, how you doing? Zero Knight's also here. Okay. This is from an episode that just came out. This is from Classify Imports. On 297. Yeah, this should be is. It says, did a nice and satisfying hike today around 30 kilometers, and now I'm just chilling. Nice. 30 kilometers. That is quite the hike. Damn. That's a big one. That sounds fun. Let's see about Django. Hmm, 100. Type equals date field. Looks like a mistake to me. That one. About right. This is new. Yeah, that makes sense. This one going away also makes sense. This one is new. Yeah, that makes sense because that is a syntax error. Probably from MyPy. Nope. Flask. 34. He is 63. 75. MyPy. $34. Oh, that makes sense. This is a regex matching incorrectly. Oops. What? Oh, it's in the wrong line. Yeah. So this is the actual line. So why is it reporting the wrong line number there? Whatever. Fine. Yep. Yep. What the fuck is the difference between these two lines? They're like trailing white space on one of these? No. I'm tripping. I don't see what's the difference between these two lines. Some invisible character here. What? What the fuck? Why are they different? Why? You want to see some pics? Yeah, sure. Dylan, dude. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. What the fuck is different here? One shows minus, the other shows plus? I know. It's a diff. But it shouldn't be a diff. Like, it's from this diff. Out 11, out old 11, pip.log, out new 11, pip.log. And it's from the... If we grep plus minus from that. We'll see these are plus and minus up here. They're on the same line. Oh, you know what? It's probably context diff. It's probably things moving around, but otherwise being the same. I'll say, oh, Kevin, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. It's probably just that these moved relative to each other. Those. But there are a bunch of new these ones. Maybe if I sort the two, then it won't be. It's probably just because there's a bunch of errors on the same line, and they got different character offsets, so they sorted differently. Okay. Yeah. So now we just have a bunch of new missing white spaces on these, which probably makes sense. Vishan V, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Let's look on line 167. Yeah. I think these are new, which is fine. Ignore that file. $58. Good. On line 41. Yeah, it's weird that these aren't sorted, but I think that's okay. This one I think we looked at. Missing white space around operator. Yeah, because this is not a thing. Five, same thing. Up. 95. Missing white space after colon. Oh, this probably just got moved around. That's fine. Go 5 cents. 29 also makes sense. We're into pie test. Cents. Oops. 76. That's way past it. I think it is the last line of the file, so I'd say is. Oh, we just did that one. I upgrade has one. Is old Flakegate gonna complain about that one? It's not. What am I doing? I'm not at work. Here types as singleton. Singletons. Post in pics. Nice. And I made this. Oh. Oh. Those look really cool. Show you chat the pictures. Damn, that looks so cool. I got the other one too. I miss hiking a bit. I don't really do it much here in Michigan, but I used to go hiking all the time in California. Those are really cool. Thank you for sharing. Do I have auto merge here? No. I'm pretty sure about these. I'm not going to bother looking at all these ones. Okay, cool. I think that tells us that, at least so far, we don't have major regressions in this. I'm going to say this is crypt. Okay. Now back to fixing other things. Oh, I gotta leave pretty soon. Don't let me take more than 15 minutes on this next one, because I gotta head out. Okay, this should be failing. How is this a function? Where does this come from? Oh. E. Okay, so it's probably somewhere in one of these string things. Do with implicit string concatenation. I don't know that it's that. I function reduce this one either. Invalid escape sequences. Oh, I wonder if that's still handled in this. This one. Uh-huh. Okay. Gotta handle that one as well. I need to use the bathroom real quick, and then we'll finish one of these two. I promise. I'll see you in a sec. All right, we're back. Okay. Coffee's Power says, I'm new here. What do we do here? We write the code. Harlot Gaming and Coffee's Power, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. W605 F string. Easier to do. Sweet W60. We also do no QA here, although it should not be no QA-able. This one should not be ignorable. I don't know why it was allowed to be no QA'd, but shouldn't be. We write code. I thought we just watched you write the code. Fair enough. Spitfire is also in Michigan. Nice. Northern Lower Peninsula. Nice. I'm in Ann Arbor right now. Yeah. That's where I'm at. I'm in Ann Arbor. We'll figure out the position. Should be at 1 B. See what this does in 3.8. Harley Gaming says, "What a cool keyboard! Thanks." So it works fine in 3.8, but does not work in 3.12. What does this code do? This is a linter. This is a checks for mistakes in code. Good. So that's the problem there. So. Oh, fucking A. We need to know the previous prefix. Hmm. Oh, this is quite annoying. We gotta rewrite this whole fucking thing. Ah. Willem says, "How long am I been streaming till?" I probably have to leave at 4, so I got 8 minutes. I got 8 minutes to fix this somehow. I guess we can take this and make this a function. Start line and start call. We also need in here. Also do stuff like rest clippy. This one doesn't have very specific suggestions, but it does have some suggestions for some of the errors. But it doesn't rewrite your code for you. Oh. Kenny Jarris, hello, how you doing? I'm doing well. Running out of time though. I guess we can say prefix equals this. Oh, but for S strings it's a stack. Really annoying. Yeah. It's a stack. If token type is in tokenized.string fstring start, then we need to do this. Oh. That will actually work. HPNNN, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. And then prefixes dot push. Do you recommend any window managers for Ubuntu? I like the Anthony window manager. Just for someone looking to get into open source, got just the video for you. Check this one out. Oh, the second one. Wait, what? This breaks the start variable. I don't think this actually needs to get done at all, because you can't have an invalid escape sequence in the start. Oh, so I can get rid of this here. Yeah. Think that's right. Let's try it. List has no shape push. Yeah, it's append. Writing too much fucking JavaScript. Admittedly, JavaScript, one of the few things that JavaScript does better than Python. It's push and pop instead of from string. This should. Wow. I am amazed that that passed. Me just sort of yellowing it. Damn, nice. Let me a good -1 there. This does not feel right. Oh, it kind of works. Yeah, no, it's correct. This is interesting. Oh, it's an optimization. Will become -1. Oh, that's actually kind of cool. Kind of clever. This seems way more complicated than it needs to be. We can do this with regexes. Actually, we can just do this with... I bet we can just do this. Ah, fuck. I gotta leave. I passed my time. Stupid. I hate that error. Error is so stupid. Doc length too long. Garbage. It's added as a misreading of the spec. Yeah. I don't think line is used here. Nope. Don't think end is used here. Art is, and token type is. Okay, let's make this pull request, and then I got a bunch more work to do. That somehow made the code almost shorter. Not quite, but almost. Oh, I don't actually need this to be a function anymore. Yeah, it will actually be shorter. Nice. That's how you review your own code. String is not defined. Right. Okay. I should work at making coverage higher at some point. There's a bunch of stuff that is completely uncovered, which is a problem. Okay, now it should almost be shorter than before. 19 additions, 17 deletions, and 2 of them are tests, so I guess it's the same length. Very cool. Alright, but that's gonna wrap us up for today. I gotta run. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. If you want to watch the fastest viewed video I've ever uploaded, check out this one, where 312 almost became JavaScript. It's slightly clickbait, but it's a good video. I recommend it. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday noon. Oh, wait, I forgot. I announced my... Right. I'm all over the place. I upload my VODs to the second channel. Oh, let me give you the links in chat. They don't go on Twitch anymore due to DMCA sad faces. Zero XP, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. But I normally stream on Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams on the Discord, which you're free to join. Go check that out and hang out. There's a beginner's channel if you want to ask programming questions. And then there's a bunch of other fun social channels as well. So stop by there and hang out. Uputin, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Let's go find someone to raid.